Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you magical tricks in Microsoft Word. So first of all, let's make a danger sign in Microsoft Word. For that you have to type 2620. Let me increase its font. So 2620 as you can see, and now press Alt X and you can see the 2620 has been converted into a danger sign in Microsoft Word. Similarly, let's create another sign. So for that I will type 5350 and then again select the text and press Alt X. As you can see I have created two signs using numbers only. Another trick is, suppose this is my text and I want to delete, I want a vertical selection. For example, if I want to delete Mr. from every name, but I cannot select Mr. You can see if I select like this, whole text will be selected. You cannot select Mr. only. And if I want to delete Mr., there are two ways. If I have to delete from every row, from every line I have to delete Mr. Or what you can do a vertical selection. For that press Alt and then you select whole the text like this. So by pressing Alt you can select a vertical selection and you can see whole text is selected, and then you can press delete button and you can see Mr. has been deleted from every row. So stay tuned for more magical tricks. Thank you for watching.